Hi everybody and welcome to the channel. Hey, today I have the pleasure of sharing with you the Green Dial Swiss Watch Company Automatic Diver, the SWC Automatic Diver. Absolutely gorgeous, and I want to thank Swiss Watch Company for sending this watch out to me to share with you. I also did a review on the blue dial model of this watch. I'll leave a link to that video below in the description. And let me just say before I start the video, if you are looking for a professional diver, a great dive watch with all the boxes checked, all the bases hit with this is it. This is the diver for you. For under 500 bucks, this just covers all the specs you want in a dive watch. And they did not ask me to say that about this watch or anything like that by any means. I'm just saying this is my personal opinion. We're going to get into it, and I just really fancy this watch for sure. Hey, the company was founded in 1996 by Stephen Romer. He got involved in the watch industry in Switzerland at the ripe old age of 17 years old. He began working in quality assurance for the Swatch Group and worked with many reputable brands within that group. And he teamed up with his son, Josh, and his son's in charge of marketing for this company. So it is a cool father-son team, great family-owned company, and they do stand behind their product. And that is huge, huge plus in my book. One cool tidbit of information, I think Swiss Watch Company is the only watch company licensed in Switzerland with the Swiss name. So get on their website. I'll leave a link to it below in the description. Read the rest of that story about how that came about. Very, very cool information. I love that kind of stuff. Let's get into this watch, and I'm going to pull a little close-up shot here. If you can see, this is a Swiss-made watch. Swiss-made straddling the 6 o'clock position on this gorgeous dial. We're going to get into that dial in just a minute. It's running the SW200 Swiss-made movement, 28,800 beats per hour with 26 joules. Very, very good movement. It does have a scratch-resistant sapphire crystal with 5 times anti-reflective coating on it. So that is very, very cool. Another plus for this watch. Let me pull close up again and show you this dial. It does have some texturing to it. I'm not sure if you can see it in this light. It's a big kind of a square pattern in the center of the dial with some texturing to it. Very gorgeous. There is a Swiss applied logo below the 12 o'clock position with Swiss Watch Company right under that. Right behind the hour hand above the 6 o'clock spot. It's automatic and it's 30 ATM, which I think comes to about 1,000 feet water resistant. Right above the 6 o'clock position. At the 3 o'clock position, you see that gorgeous boxed out date window. Very well done. I like this a lot. Let me zoom out here for you. This does have a 120 click ceramic bezel, another plus for this watch, and the price point. Everything lines up to a T. You can hear those clicks going around. Very, very good action. And you can see these 10-minute markers are kind of like polished on the top. Very nice. I think that is just a really, really cool touch in my book. 316L stainless steel case brushed with some polished beveled edges around the bezel. I like that. Just a classy look. And I really do like the brushed case. It's kind of like anti-scratch for me. I noticed in many years of wearing watches, brush seems to work very well with divers. It does have some nice integrated crown protectors with knurling on the crown. This watch movement is hand winding and hackable. Crown has very great action on it, and it has the Swiss Watch Company logo stamped in the end of it. Also, lume. If you like lume, this is another huge plus for this company. The 5-minute markers, the beautiful handset, and the tip of the second hand with the pip are all coated in 20 layers of Super-Luminova. I'm going to throw a shot up there for you. Hope you can see that. It is absolutely gorgeous, brilliant, bright, lights up the room indeed. This watch also has a oil stamped case back, and I hope you can see in this light. I did not take the plastic off of it. It has Swiss Watch Company across the center with their logo right above it. And I didn't take the plastic off of it because it's going to some other reviewers. Very, very nice. Hey, this beautiful watch coupled with this gorgeous bracelet is just a great team together. The center links are polished on the outer edge, just adds a really nice touch. Brushed all the other places. Push pin adjustments with a double push button locking clasp. Swiss logo on the clasp. Very, very nicely machined and very well done. Absolutely gorgeous watch all the way around. Hey, let's get into some specs. This watch does have a 44mm case with 48mm including the crown, 49.5mm lug to lug this way, 22mm bandwidth tapering down to a 20mm at the clasp, and a 13.2mm thickness. Hey, let's get this on the wrist for a wrist shot. All right, guys, there you have it on my 7-inch wrist. Absolutely gorgeous, looks good. I did not adjust the bracelet because it is going to some other reviewers, so I didn't do that. Just a overall great diver, in my opinion. Super hard to beat. Hey, that's my short look at the Green Dial Swiss Watch Company automatic diver. If you liked the video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. I'd appreciate it. And as always, stay well.